Doktor ako.
Tulungan mo ako. Papatayin ako ng asawa ko, please. Tulungan mo ako.
Kung ayaw mo dalhin kita sa ospital, kailangan pa rin tayo pumunta sa presinto.
Hindi, Miguel, hindi pwede. Ilang beses niya na yung ginawa sa akin dati. Wala na ako ibang mapupuntan. Kung inaasahan lang naman ng isang babae sa isang lalaki, mahalin siya.
Ako, ipagtatanggol kita.
Ipaglalaban mo ba ang pag-ibig?
Miguel!
Kahit buhay ang kapalit.
Ako!
Sa pupuntan. Piolo Pascual, Rian Ramos, Silo. Directed by Jeffrey Darbo and Roy Sevilla. September 16 in cinemas.
Ayun, yun po ang official full trailer ng Silo. September 16 na po. Okay, lights on please now. Wilbur, where are you? Diyos ko, kanina. Okay. Siguro it's just appropriate that we hear from the three leads ng kanilang respective roles. Guji, tell us about your role in the movie. Can we share the mic, please?
Yes, hello. I play Gilbert. Ako yung best friend ni Piolo dito. At saka advisor niya sa mga problema niya sa buhay. Yun. And I'm happy to be part of it.
Okay, and of course, the beautiful Rian Ramos. Rian, please tell us about your role.
My name is Valerie in the movie, and I am a mysterious girl na medyo running away from my abusive husband. But pupuntahan ko siya for help, and magsisweet-sweetan kami.
Interesting.
Yun lang.
Okay, thank you, Rian. Papa P.
Love life ako dun sa bahay.
Why not? Oh, it's high time. Okay, it's high time mag-love life ka na. Okay, Papa P.
I play Dr. Miguel Carrasco. Tascaro. Hindi kilala. Tingin ko na siya kilala eh. And, I guess what I can say, since some of us have seen the movie already, we both have a mysterious past and we're hiding something, but I guess that's why it's called Silong. But for my character, nawalan kasi siya ng family, nawala yung asawa niya. And yun, so pagdating ni Valerie sa buhay niya, slowly makikita nila unti-unti kung ano naman meron sikreto sa buhay ng dalawa.
Okay, thank you, Papa P, Rian, and Gucci. Okay, Wilbur, who has a question?
I think Mario Bautista would like to add.
Abot mo lang ang mic, huwag ka na mag-intro. Ito, Mario.
Kawawa naman si Wilbert, tinarayan agad, wala.
Yan, okay, may banter kaming ganyan. Okay, ito, Mario.
Okay.
For fun.
Kay Piolo, how is this different from the past indie films you did, Chop Suey and Maynila?
Marami-rami na rin pala.
Okay, hi. This is the first time I'm actually doing a thriller. It's not flat-out thriller, it's a romantic thriller and kind of twisted. Sa Chop Suey, I was different then. I guess what's good about doing indies is you kind of have that playing field wherein you can not necessarily experiment, but you can cross the line as to how far you want to go. Kasi ang laki ng talo niya from mainstream. Here, parang mas may freedom ka to move around. So, mas marami kang magagawa. I'm not saying doing rom-coms always naka-box, di ba? But doing indie is really, really interesting. Mas marami kang konseptong pwedeng paglaruan. So, among all the indies I've done, they're all different genres din po. And two of the indies I've done are black and white, and then this one, and then yung Chop Suey. Iba rin siya. Kaya I have so much fun doing indies. Pero so far, by far, ito yung talagang pinaka, I should say, twisted character na nagawa ko.
So, paano napunta sa yung concept to pitch in? Sina Jeff na?
Sino ba yun? Sino gusto mo salita?
And what did you like about the concept?
First of all, it's different. Jeff